If you sent an Interac ETransfer through CIBC and need to cancel it, you can stop the transfer directly from the CIBC mobile app. In this video, I will show you exactly where to find the transfer and how to cancel it step by step. Before we begin, keep in mind that you can only stop an eligible transfer before the recipient has claimed or deposited it. CIBC currently charges a $3.50 fee to stop an Interac e-transfer. So let's get started. First, open the CIBC mobile banking app and log in. Make sure you are logged into the account that you originally sent the e-transfer from. Once you are logged in, you should be on the CIBC homepage. At the bottom of the screen, look for the Move Money button and tap on it. From the Move Money menu, select e-transfer. Next, look for Review History and tap on it. You should now see your e-transfer history. Make sure you are looking under the Sent tab. This is important because you want to find the transfer that you originally sent. Scroll through the list until you find the e-transfer you want to cancel. Once you find it, tap on the transfer to open the details. If the transfer is still eligible to be cancelled, you should see an option at the bottom called Stop Transfer. Tap Stop Transfer. CIBC will then show you information about stopping the transfer. Take a moment to read through the information, and if you want to continue, tap I agree. On the next screen, CIBC will show you the fee for stopping the transfer. At the time of recording, the fee is $3.50. You will also need to select the CIBC account, where you want the money to be deposited after the transfer is stopped. Choose the account you want, then tap Continue. CIBC will now show you the details of the cancellation. This is your final chance to check everything, so make sure the transfer you are stopping is the correct one, and that the account you selected for the returned funds is correct. If everything looks good, confirm the cancellation. CIBC will then process the stop payment, and if successful, the e-transfer amount will be deposited into the account you selected. And that's it. You have successfully stopped your CIBC e-transfer. One important tip: if the recipient has already deposited or claimed the e-transfer, you generally cannot cancel it through CIBC. So if you send an e-transfer by mistake, it's best to check and stop it as soon as possible. If this video helped you, consider subscribing to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.